Hello, and welcome to the Interaction Creator tutorial for Audio Diaries for Horror FPS Kit. In this video, we're going to be covering how to create an audio diary interaction with the helper window that's provided above. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll open up Tools, Disney Media, AD, Helpers, Interaction, Create Interaction. Now that we have the Create Interaction window here, we'll go ahead and grab the frame, which has a mesh collider on it, and assign it into this value here. And then it will display the general diary interaction options. In this case, we're going to set it to stationary, multi-use, add to the database, and then we're going to go miss payments and leave the message options empty. And then we're going to click create, and it auto creates the values for that interaction here, as well as assigns the layer to interact. So for example, if we click on the diary interaction, we can see that the values have been updated to stationary, multi-use, and the diary template assigned there, databases option is there. Any further customization, things such as the events or what type of updates or audio options you're going to use, need to be assigned by the user. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope this video has been enlightening on letting you know how to use the Create Interaction window and how to easily set up audio diary interactions in your scene. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to drop a comment below, message me on Discord, or send me an email. As usual, thanks for watching.